It's still Web3 Bro right here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to increase your Bittoken. All right, how to perform tasks and earn more money. Okay, and earn more of the reward points RP. Okay, so I'm gonna claim this one right here that has finished. I'm gonna claim this one, and then another one has started almost immediately. So what is gonna happen right here is you will come over to where you see you'll come over to where you see earn. Okay, you click on the earn. When you click on the earn, you will discover that there are special tasks here. A view react, comment, like and comment, like and comment, and then you can also have subscribe, follow. But before you can do any of this, you need to verify your account. Let me leave here and come in again so that you see what I'm talking about. Let me come into the earn again. You will see a notification. Please make sure you have updated your profile with all your social media handles: Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, X, Facebook, before proceeding with task. You see that now? So there are many ways to earn here. Number one is this one, the special, the art, the like and comment, and then you can have the subscribe. The one I that will guarantee you more is this one, watching ad and getting paid. So that is the one. And then we also have here these other ones that are here that you can actually perform task here. You can perform this one. This is the one I did. This is the one I did. I did this one, and it's under review, as you can see, under review. I did this. So what's gonna happen here? This one will give you 30,000 reward points, and it's a podcast with Coach Ben. That is the owner of the platform. You will watch the whole video and then click that you have finished the task. It will be under review. All right. So this one, you join the group. Get 2,000 reward point. Join and subscribe to the channel and get 1.5. All of this is part of the task you can do to earn. But let's go with the ad. Let's go with the ad. So I'm gonna click on ad. Okay, I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click here. All right. I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna click on this one to watch right here. So I'll click on it to watch.
With pocket option, 100 plus trading asset.
I'm gonna silence the sound so that you can just look at it. And after this ad is over, yeah, all you gotta do is to click on this X icon here, and then he will get rewarded. Okay, so now look at the point I claimed yesterday. Okay, this is 27. So yesterday I claimed some point. So you can actually watch all the ads at one and then click on claim all, or you claim individually, which I wouldn't advise. All you have to do is to click this back button, come over here, and click to watch this ad. Right, this ad. When you've watched the ad, this is 17 ads we have here left. You watch the whole 17, and then when you're done, you come over here to reward. All right, tax reward. Tax as reward. Click there, and then you can now click on claim all after you have watched everything. Okay, I think 3 hours it will refill, so you can actually gain more B tokens every day. If you can aim at getting, let's say, 50,000 tokens or 100,000 tokens per day in a month, you can get 3 million tokens. And if you convert that 3 million, let's do some math right here. So if you convert that 3 million, let's say 3 million you earn in a month, 3 million of the reward point times 0.00034, that's the conversion rate. So what you're going to have is 1,020 B tokens, okay, times 0.15, that is $153. All right, calculated in your local currency. If I do it in Naira, all right, it will be 235,000. So you can make this amount minimum every month without paying a dime. Okay, that's what it is. So I will show you how to do other things in other subsequent videos. All right. So another way you can increase your RP is to click on team, where you see team. Click on team and then you copy your referral link. My own will be in the description below. Just click and register and get activated. Now there is a playlist for Bittoken. All right, just look for the playlist on my channel. You will see the playlist and you go through the previous video I posted that will show you how to activate your account, register, and finish up everything. Okay, so when you come to the friend list, you will copy your link and share with your friends, and then share the other video I made with them to get. So whenever your friends register successfully, you will grab. So if you click on friend list or click on referral, direct referral bonus, you will come over here and click on claim. I can claim this 3,000 I'm seeing here. Okay, so you're gonna be earning. So you and your friend will receive 1,000 reward points bonus each, and you will receive extra bonus for hitting referral milestones. So you see this now. So I I have three to claim. All right. So I have three to claim. You can go back here. You can go back here. So I have three to claim. So if you check on friend list, you see the friends that are there. If you check on the referral, direct referral extra bonus. All right, on that one, click on that one. See, so these are milestones, but for every one that you register, you will receive 1,000 RP. 1,000 RP for the person and for you, 1,000 RP. So if you register, let's say 50%, you're going to receive 50,000 RP plus, you see, plus 200,000 reward points. Why? These are milestones you are having here. These are milestones, okay? These are all milestones. So whenever you hit a milestone, this button will be activated for you to claim. Okay, for you to claim. So I have three referrals, so I can claim this one. I have if when I invite five referrals, I can claim 10,000 RP. When I get to 10, I can have 25,000 till when you get to 100,000, you claim 1.5 billion RP points. So that's what it is. Okay, so that is another way you can generate more tokens on this, and then you can swap this to USDT once every month. This is absolutely free. Free. So I'll click on profile. Okay, click on team again. So when you can get referral commission up to 3 levels. So that means that if someone you referred, you're gonna get, and the person you refers, you are gonna get up to 3 levels. And then so that is it about the program. And then if you want to boost your coin, you can click on mine again and then come over here to where you see booster. You click on booster, where you see click on booster, and then from there you can now decide to boost your, you can watch ads here to get paid. You can watch ad to get paid. You can use their bot to get paid. Okay, so how do you do this? How do you do this? You click on buy bot miner if you want to go for that option, and then you select anyone that you want to use. If you go for the first one, it will give you X 2.5 RP point per hour added to what you already have, and then it's going to mine for 6 hours. That one will go for 1 USDT. Okay, so it as long as you are getting all of these, the max you can go for is $100, and this one will mine for 24 hours with X 250 R point 24 hours. Okay, that's what it is. It will mine for 6 hours, so we'll mine for this. So the video is already getting long, so we're gonna stop right here, and I will make other videos, subsequent videos, to show you other things you can do on the platform. So if you want to get support, you click here on support. Here on support, want to check the white paper, check here, and you're good to go. Right. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to carry out verification, KYC verification on your wallet. Okay, on your wallet under the P2P, this one, so that you can swap and do your withdrawals. Okay, so that is it for the video. The link will be in the description. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And this is Web3 Bro once again. Thanks for watching.